guys, welcome back. All right, so my camera is not angled very good. Let me try to fix this. Sorry. Okay, maybe. I totally need to fix this because it's totally bugging me. Yeah. Anyways, ignore that for now. Lots been going on and I just have not had time to really focus on my wall or anything. So anyways, with that being said, August Ipsy bag. All right, so this is the bag itself. Cute little tassel. And then there's that. And I have the dropsies, which seems to be a common theme in my videos. And this is why I always have some of my daughters, usually, or my sons if they want to participate, sitting off to the side. So today I have my daughter Serenity. She is 10, and my daughter Micaiah, or Kai, as we like to call her, who will be 7 next March. So, with that being said, Rennie, you can hold this. I'm going to show you guys the brush that I got from, I believe it's SL Miss Glam, and it's the SG62, and I believe this is a blusher brush. And if I pronounce that wrong, I am totally sorry, but I slaughter names like crazy. So the brush, it's really soft. And I have several brushes that are similar in style to this. And honestly, I'm one of those people that figures you can never have too many brushes. So whenever I get an Ipsy brush, I'm excited. And this one is, it's kind of hard to see on here, but this is like a rose gold. And that's like one of my favorite things. I love rose gold. And as you can see, it's tapered right here, if my camera will focus. But it is tapered to go from like white up here into like a rose gold color. So that's one of the things I got. My camera can focus now. The next thing I got is the Glow 2 highlighter. I saw a lot of people were getting these. Excuse my unkept nails. Like I said, a lot's been going on. I don't want to get into the details, but I think I need to work on these bad boys later today. So back to this. I've seen swatches of this highlighter, and actually it was like pretty awesome. This is called Moon Dust. The pan is actually very nice in size. You know, if my camera decides to focus. And I'm going to bring my daughter Serenity. I'll do you next, Micaiah, okay? Okay. So she has way nicer skin than I do. And I'm going to swatch this. And for a highlighter, this is like super buttery. So I personally like it. So this is one swatch on her. And it's very, very nice. And Micaiah, your skin tone's a little different. So let me put this over here. She's little like mommy. So hold on. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I got her. You don't have to lift her up. So on her little hand, her skin tone's a little bit different from her sister's. And as you can see, it's right there. It's okay, guys. No. Her sister's trying to lift her up. But you can see it right there. All right, so next item we have is the Ofra Blue Jeans eyeshadow. That's just the packaging. I'm going to take this bad boy out. I have the worst dropsies when it comes to eyeshadow pans. So I'm going to go ahead and just take this whole thing out. I love blue eyeshadow. I know some people don't, and some people are like afraid of it. But like quite literally it matches my Harry Potter shirt. And I kind of wish I would have dug this out today. But I didn't, and that's okay. So anyways, this, as you can see, I did swatch it. Because I attempted to make this video once before, and I hated it, so here I am. So this is a pretty buttery formula. I'm just going to do this on sister, okay? And then I'll do you next. Don't worry. I have something special for you. All right, so this is, it seems like you need to kind of build the color up a little bit, but nevertheless, that's Oh my God. Okay, there it goes. That's it next to the highlighter. And that's just one swipe. So it seems like a pretty good formula. It seems pretty pigmented. I look forward to using it. This is the one I'm going to swipe on you, Micaiah, okay? So we're going to swatch this one on you. So this is the Glamour Girl Sweet Treats Lip Gloss. And as you notice, I have nothing on my lips. And this is why. I'm going to put this on my lips, but I'm also going to swatch it on my littlest daughter because she wants it swatched. So why not? Come here, Kaya. It does, huh? So the packaging's super, super cute. And it screws undone. Just like that. Rennie, will you hold that part? All right, Micaiah. We're going to swatch you this way, my little love. Here, don't tip it over, sweetheart. All right. So, if you guys can see her little tiny hand right there. That's what that looks like. So it's like a tinted moisturizer type lip gloss, I think. I don't know. Let's see. Seems pretty good. It smells awesome. So I like lip glosses, especially when they're liquid, because actually it's pretty nice. Here, you want to try it? Here, I'll take that. So I would say that's actually pretty cool. I have my daughter, she's gonna go put it on her lips. You want to go put it on hers? You can go in there, that's fine. Go to the bathroom. Micaiah's like, I don't want any. It's okay, it's fine. So if you hear the background noise, that's just my daughter in the bathroom. She's putting on the lip gloss on her lips. This is it on mine. I like it. I think it's nice. So I will show you her lips when she comes out. Right now, she is putting it on her lips. So anyways, I also received this essence. And quite honestly, I've never used essence before. I've always wanted to, so I'm pretty excited about that. So this is what it came with. And that's kind of the inside, just kind of showing you what it is. And that's where it's at. This is the bottle that it came with. So it's a nice sized bottle. Hold on, Serenity. Oh goodness, here. Let me see if I can get my camera to focus. There we go. So it's a decent amount in here. Because I don't believe that you use a lot of this on your skin. I have sensitive skin, but I am always willing to try something new. So we're going to give this a shot. All right, so to round this out, I'm going to show the lip gloss on Serenity. Come here, Serenity. Come here. So this is my 10-year-old Serenity, and this is the lip gloss on her, which I think is really, really pretty. And if I could ever get my 13-year-old to use it, it would look gorgeous on her too. Or my 7-year-old, huh? So if you're wondering, that is this lip gloss. And I'm wearing it, she's wearing it. It's awesome, I recommend it. So with that, that's pretty much my Ipsy bag this month. If you're wondering what this looks like, that's a little insert that it came with. So with that, we're going to go ahead and end this here until next month when we get September's bag. I heard September's bag is black and it has like little eyelashes on it. And there's some stuff that I'm really hoping to get, but I usually don't get those things. But that's okay. Anyways, I'm going to leave this here. If you guys like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.